Look, Mom! There is something moving over there near the pine roots. Stay close, Pippa. Let us see what it is together. Be careful, Mom. It looks so fragile. I have it, dear. Hold the scarf open for me. This house of hay will keep it warm, right, Mom? It will be perfect, just what a little bird needs. He is finally drinking a little bit. He is stronger already. Let us give him some peace now. Mom, look! It's flapping its wings! It is time to let our little friend return to the forest. Can we add cinnamon to these dried apple slices? Of course! It will make the dried apples taste wonderful. The wind chime sounds so soft and sweet. It is a melody for the forest to remember us by. I am really looking forward to our hot soup tonight. It will be ready in just a few minutes, dear. This is the best soup I have ever tasted. Warm food makes the cold winter feel like home. I hope the bird is safe in the trees tonight. I am sure it found a warm spot in the pine branches. Will the wood last until morning? We have enough wood to keep us warm all night. Tell me a story about the winter woods, please. Once, a tiny bird guided a traveler through the snow. The moon makes the snow look like silver tonight. It is a beautiful sight before we sleep, Pippa. Good night, Mom. Thank you for today. Good night, my sweet girl. Sleep well. The sun is coming up. Look how beautiful. It is a fresh start to another day. Toby is ready for the morning air, I think. He definitely loves the crisp morning air more than we do. Do we have enough oats for breakfast? We have just enough to start our morning well. The wood still sounds beautiful in the morning air. It is a pleasant way to start the day. I will gather some extra wood for the fire. Thank you, Pippa. That will be very useful. The woods are so quiet this time of day. It It is a time for the forest to wake up slowly. This tea is the perfect way to warm up. Warm drinks are a great comfort in the snow. Do you think the bird is back home now? I believe it is happy to be back among the branches. I like how the wind chime sounds with the trees. It makes the woods feel like they are singing along with us. This tree looks quite grand from this angle. You have a good eye for the shapes in nature. Thank you, I'm working on the branches. I love being out here in the forest. It brings such peace to our hearts, doesn't it? Is this the right bag for the supplies? Yes, that is exactly the one we need. It is so nice to just sit here. Sometimes doing nothing is the best activity of all. We could help the bird. Kindness always makes the forest feel even better. The sun looks different now, more golden. It is the magic of the late afternoon light. I feel very happy being here with you. I feel the same way, Pippa. Let us enjoy this moment. Do we have enough cheese left for tonight? Yes, we have just enough for a light supper. This tastes so good in the cold weather. Simple food is always the best after a long day. The stars are so bright, Mom. They watch over us while we sleep in the forest. I had a wonderful time with you today. I did too. Sleep well, my love. Good night, Forest. Good night. Sleep now. Is it morning already? Yes, the sun is just coming up. The air smells so crisp and clean. It is the pure winter morning, Pippa. I will miss this little campsite. We can always come back when the winter returns. Goodbye, Goodbye. Until next time.